cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast.
Welcome to the present moment. Here, now, the day for which we were waiting for. With this zeal in mind, I, Miss Pranali,
And I, Miss Siddhi,
take this opportunity to welcome the manager, Sister Pavitra, the principal, Sister Juliet, the vice principal, Sister Little Rose, Sister Limna, Sister Blessa, and Sister Sharon, and the most important of all, our dear teachers for whom we all have come together.
today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day specially meant for the gifted souls who work hard every day in spite of difficulties to make sure that our future is bright.
On this beautiful occasion, let us take a quick glimpse of some beautiful quotes presented by our Teresians.
A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others.
A teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in the pupils.
Guru is a sculptor who can turn stones into idols.
Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love.
कोई अगर आपके अच्छे कार्य पर संदेह करता है तो उन्हें करने दे, क्योंकि शक सदा सोने की शुद्धता पर किया जाता है, कोयले की कालीक पर नहीं.
A teacher plants the seed of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurture their growth to produce tomorrow's dreams.
Teachers affect eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops.
Without teachers, life would have no class.
कर सच कहने की आदत है. मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूं. मैं सागर से भी गहरा हूं. तुम कितने कंकड़ फेंकोगे, चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं. तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे.
Now, it is the time to pray for our dear teachers. It is better to light one candle than to stumble in the dark.
Dear teachers, you are the light and you lit up our lives by enlightening us with knowledge. So today, we pray to God, let your light shine our ways.
It is better to light just one little candle than to stumble in the dark.
specially crafted by our Teresians.
Now, let us invite our Teresian dance troupe to present to our teachers.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर, भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर। खोल दे पर, 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 खोल दे पर।
इतना ऊंचाई और -35 डिग्री पर बादल बर्फ का ही नहीं बनता।
जब अंतर बनकर जीतकार उत्सुकता हो सर पे सवार, क्वेश्चन से तू मत मान हार, चल भिड़ जा बरखुरदार। भले बुद्धि की मुट्ठी हो टाइट हो रॉन्ग राइट में छिड़ी फाइट, हर प्रश्न के उत्तर पर है तेरा अधिकार अधिकार।
दरवाजों के पीछे और बिस्तर के नीचे लुक छिप के रहता है एक क्वेश्चन मार्क। मट्टी से उगता है, अंबर में दिखता है, पानी में बहता है। मेहनत करेंगे माथा फोड़ेंगे, इसकी अकड़ को लेकिन तोड़ेंगे। सोने देता नहीं चिढ़ाता है, इसको भी सस्ते में ना छोड़ेंगे। अरे बच के जाने न पाए क्वेश्चन मार्क।
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर। बह चल कहीं, उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है।
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। I'm a fool, I'm a fool, I'm a fool, fool, fool. You be hard, you be hard, you got very, very hard. I come near, I come near, I come near, near, near. You go far, you go far, you go very, very far.
अरे ठंडा रख कर ले जा, थोड़ा बर्फ पे किस ले भेजा, सॉरी ले जा, माफी दे जा, हमको फ्री।
1 2 3
सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, पकड़े ये दोनों कान क्या, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, बच्चे की लागे जान क्या, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, महंगी है एक मुस्कान क्या, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, बच्चे की लागे जान क्या।
That was indeed rocking.
Now, I hand over the mic to Mehul and invite him to share his mixed feelings on our Teachers' Day celebration.
Good morning to all of you present here. I know what you all might be thinking. Yet another long and boring speech. So let me keep this short and sweet. The light of the world, the beacon of the dark, and the hope that gives us strength is a teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work hard every day to make sure that our future is bright. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, our former president, whose birthday we celebrate as Teachers' Day every year. On this beautiful occasion, let me take an opportunity to convey wishes from all the students to all the teachers and sisters who have given a very great contribution in shaping us till today. So a big thank you to all of you. On this note, saying a big thank you to you all once again for shaping us this nicely. Thank you.
किया है हमारे शिक्षकों ने हमारे लिए। ये कविता है सिर्फ और सिर्फ उनके लिए। जब जीवन के सारे दरवाजे बंद हो गए, आपने खोल दिए रास्ते नए। आपने हमें बहुत ध्यान है बांटा, आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे भलाई के लिए डांटा। मुसीबत के वक्त हमेशा हमारा साथ दिया, तुम कामयाब होंगे बस यही कहा। बहुत मुश्किल है आपके बारे में इन 30 मिनट में करना बयां। बहुत मुश्किल है आपके बारे में इन 30 मिनट में करना बयां, क्योंकि जानते हैं हम आपने हमारी जिंदगी को मोड़ दिया है नया। So, thank you teachers and very very happy teachers.
This poem is dedicated to all you teachers who are working hard for we children in this pandemic too. In the continuous lockdown, everyone at their home struck down. In the continuous lockdown, everyone at their home struck down, missing the loving teachers and our dear sisters. It is a time when the world has to set apart. It is a time when the world has to set apart, but you willingly played your part. It is a time when everyone is at their rest, but you, teachers, were brilliant and the best. You introduce yourselves to the new systems in the life. You introduce yourselves to the new systems in the life, only to make us as sharp as a knife. Your love is clearly highlighted through your teaching ways which you never quieted. Right from maintaining the households to teaching us day to day. Right from maintaining the households to teaching us day to day, salute all your ways. It takes a big heart to shape a little minds. It takes a big heart to shape a little minds. In the entire journey, you were so gentle and kind. And so this is to thank you for what all you do. And so this is to thank you for what all you do. We are glad to have a teachers like you. We are glad to have a teachers like you. Happy Teachers Day.
ABCD सिखा के जो शुरुआत की थी, आज हम डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस पढ़ने लगे हैं। 1 2 3 4 तक समझा ना था और अब हम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने लगे हैं। दुनिया मुट्ठी जितनी छोटी नहीं, ये ज्योग्राफी पढ़ के समझ आया। एप्पल गलती से नहीं, ग्रेविटी से गिरा था, ये न्यूटन जी ने समझाया। हिस्ट्री के पन्नों पे कलाकारों ने जो नाम लिखे थे, वो सिखा के हमें इतिहास रचने का सपना दिखाया। वो टीचर्स ही है जिन्होंने शिष्यों के सपनों को साकार बनाया। टीचर्स हमें सिखाते नहीं तो लैंग्वेजेस भी हमें आते नहीं, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स तो दूर की बात है, हम नॉर्मल कैलकुलेशंस भी कर पाते नहीं। टीचर्स ने हमें अर्थ के मेजरमेंट सिखाए हैं। इतना इजी है क्या न्यूटन्स लॉ पढ़ना? वो तो टीचर्स ने इजी बनाया है। ज्योमेट्री के डायग्राम्स के साथ हमारे कैरेक्टर और डिसिप्लिन भी शेप में करवाए। वी आर थैंकफुल टू यू गॉड जो हमने इतने ब्यूटीफुल टीचर्स पाए। थैंक यू टीचर्स एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
वाह वाह, क्या बात है।
Moving on, I invite the acting principal, Master Harsh Gaggar, for his speech.
A very warm good afternoon to the manager of our school, Sister Pavitra, a beloved principal, Sister Juliet, Vice Principal, Sister Little Rose, and to all our sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Master Harsh Gaggar, the acting principal of the day, feel exceptionally blessed and fortunate to be able to express our love and respect to our beloved teachers and to share the joy of the day. Dear teachers, it's a special day for us students. No pandemic situation can stop us Teresians to share our gratitude towards our gurus. On our life journey, it is you who stands next to a parent in molding and shaping us. Our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said it rightly that teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the caliber, character, and future of an individual. Right from nursery, you were there, dear teacher, to accompany us, to shape our character, to find our caliber, encourage us, prepare us for a bright future. More than the classroom lessons, we are learning life lessons here. Lessons of sharing and caring. Dear teacher, you are our guide whom we look up to. You make us responsible citizen and good human being. You are the ray of hope that encourages us to survive in the dark. You are our second parent who take our full responsibility in helping us grow. Dear teacher, you stand by us to tackle every tough situation that life challenges us with. A big thank you. We have seen how dedicated you all are especially during these lockdown days on this present scenario of COVID-19 pandemic. You never gave up. You all took the pain to learn new ways and means of teaching. You worked hard, maybe harder than us, to cope up with new technologies. Today, lovingly we express our gratitude for your dedication, hard work. We realize how fortunate we all are to have such wonderful teachers. On behalf of whole Teresian students, I would like to extend a great thank you to you all dear teachers, right from nursery to junior college. A great thank you. I give special thanks to our management, our dear sisters, for helping us continue our studies even in this dreadful situation. Thank you, dear sisters. I do remember our non-teaching staff for their ceaseless hard work. May God reward you all. Thanking you once again for giving me this great opportunity. I remain, thank you, and happy Teachers' Day to you all once again.
That was indeed an illuminating speech. Thank you, Harsh, for your word of appreciation. Now, let us invite the Teresian girls to rock on the virtual platform.
हो मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीट दे। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रा नु छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रा नु छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे। बात तेरी छोटी छोटी सोच क्यों है जी, ओहो बाजी। हो उखड़े उखड़े क्यों खड़े जी, हंस तो हंस देगी दुनिया भी, हाँ जी। ओ आए जो ऑन द फ्लोर कुड़ी तो खूब मचाए शोर, तू भी झूम लेना इसकी बीट ते। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रा नु छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने नचने दे, नचने दे, लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने नचने दे, नचने तारे या फिक्रा नु छड्ड के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे।
Yes, absolutely it was.
Now, I would like to invite our budding poets to add their poetic touch to our celebration.
On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to dedicate a poem to all my teachers. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you taught me how to stand in a queue, the manners with which I speak today is only because of you. You held me when the winds blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a Teacher's Day. People will leave, but your teachings will stay. To all my teachers who have taught me something in something, all that I have to say is Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you.
Oh dear teachers, you have made a great difference, and for this you have used all your experience. You shaped our thoughts, changed our minds, and you found the best method you could find to develop our personality and mold our minds. With your actions and words throughout the history, you changed the whole world, and it's not a mystery. You have brought about many changes and revolutions, and we are thankful to you for providing us solutions. Of all the people in the world, you stand at the top, and you will be always in our memories, and our prayers for you will never stop. Thank you.
That was very touching. Lastly, I would like to hand over the mic to Lokesh and Manan for the vote of thanks.
Gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. This was a pleasant performance. With this performance, we come to the ending stage of the program. I feel very pride and honor on this day to thank all those who helped in making this program a special one. Firstly, I would like to thank Dynamic Sister Pavitra for her presence at the program. Then I would like to thank our respected and loving Sister Principal Juliet, which was also a source of inspiration for all of us. Then I would like to thank Sister Little Rose for her presence at this program.
I feel privileged to thank all the sisters for permitting us a wonderful literary virtually. I am glad to thank Sister Blesa and 9th standard teachers for their wonderful support. Thanks all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their support. I am thanks for the special support of Vijay sir for providing us the support to do virtually. I am thanks to all the participants who led this program on the way of success.
2, 3.
Thank you.
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे